So everybody, this is Juliet, and she has the laundry folding mechanism here, tool that she uses. And she's about to fold some laundry, and she was willing to be recorded as she does this, so that she can help others use this device. Okay, Juliet, so what do we have here first?
We have a shirt, a short sleeve one.
Okay. So what do we do first, Jules?
You do this. What side do you want to do first? And then you unfold it. And then you do this one. And then you unfold this one too. And then you do
The bottom?
the bottom one. And then you have this wrapped up. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with pants.
Okay. That was very good, Jules. That is like perfect folding.
Now you want to start with the shirt and pants with them on the back side.
Mm-hmm. And clearly these are not her pants because they're much bigger.
They're my brother's pants.
Yes. She likes to fold everybody's laundry.
So 1 again, and then 2 again.
Yeah, those are a little bit longer than what you're used to.
And then you have that. And then flip this like that. And then you might, if you have really long pants,
Then you might want to fold
you might want to fold it again. And
Yeah.
there you go. You have it
All right.
all set up.
You have a huge laundry basket there, Jules. You got a lot of work to do. Is there another shirt that you can pull out to show?
I can. I will demonstrate with a long shirt.
Okay.
2.
So as she's looking for a shirt, you see how this mechanism is, and each side then can fold multiple ways. So even if you folded pants this way first and then folded it this way. So there's very versatile depending on what it is. If you have something that just needs to be folded in half, it's easy. For this, it's a little bit more, it's easier on dexterity, which is good. Okay, Jules.
So you want the image on
Facing down?
facing down, and you
Okay.
want the back side to be facing up.
Okay. And so I see that you're constantly bringing it up here. So is that important, Juliet, to have this lined up here?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
No, 2 again, and then you do this again, and then the image shows up.
Yeah. And that's perfect. Look at how nice that is.
And there you go.
Nicely stacked clothes. Thank you so much, Juliet, for showing everybody how to use this device. This was very, very helpful. And I'm sure a lot of people will be thanking you also in person. All right, Jules. Well, thank you again and happy folding. Bye.
Bye.